Hi, welcome to Mini Medi. Today's topic is my favorite, and that's freedom from bondage. A lot of people can misinterpret what that means, but freedom is very important, especially right now in this unprecedented time in 2020. And freedom from bondage means we are lacking an understanding of how we have become just people pleasers or don't know how to think for ourselves. We're so living our lives for other people or what other people think we should do or be. And that is, I would say, the majority of people. I know a woman right now who she just really wants to elope, but she's so worried about her parents being mad at her, and she's probably 31. So she is not being true to herself. So I'm guilty of it. She's guilty of it. You're probably guilty of it. We all do that, and then we do things and live a lot of our lives how we don't even want because we really have all these enmeshments and wrapped up in what other people think, and we're not allowing ourselves to be free and happy. So that's what we're going to meditate on today, on really boundaries, because boundaries are what we need to do, and just to have the courage to say to people that we love, I know that's what you want, but in order to be true to me, this is what I need to do. And help them to understand it's nothing personal. This is my life. I get one life, and this is how I want to do it. I have my reasons for wanting to live my life a certain way, and I'd be more than happy to share that with you if you're open and you want to listen. And it has nothing to do with you. It has to do with how I need to be happy for myself, or I need to try this or that and see if I like it or if I don't. Because a lot of people in your family do have intentions and do also want to prevent you from even hurting yourself on accident, but you can't, because everyone has their life to live and we all have our lessons to learn. You cannot protect someone from many growing pains. You definitely want to speak and let them know what you think, but not in a way that is to make someone feel guilty about living their lives. So it's really just about having that conversation, and we have to have hard conversations. And it's just amazing. I've noticed more in 2020 how it's just become fully realized for me how many people just bury their head in the sand and just don't want to look at anything that makes them uncomfortable. But I guess if you want to be an evolved person, you really need to have these conversations, whether it makes you uncomfortable or not. Your uncomfortable feelings, trust me, they're not going to kill you. But we need to have them. Even with people who are not of like-mindedness, if we want to change the world, or be that example, be the change you wish to see in the world, you need to stop running away and step up and have conversations and have courage, and to know, in my own life, I've evolved. When I was 18, I thought certain ways, simple things too, and you think, there's other ways to think about things. Not everybody thinks like you. That's very arrogant to think everyone thinks like you. And help people to see your point of view and understand your point of view if they're open to. If you notice, a lot of people, their minds just aren't open to anything, and those people probably aren't evolving much. So you don't want to really waste your time and energy on those people if you have committed yourself to being engaged in your own evolution. So for me, I need to be around people who are connected to spirituality and who like to listen and have conversations and be open to other people's points of view. Those are the people that I like to be around because it's stimulating and it helps me to learn and grow. But that's my thing. So if you notice, like attracts like, and if a person is an egomaniac, guess what? They intend to surround themselves with other egomaniacs. If someone's insecure, they're going to try to draw you into that. So they're going to stick together, and do not fall for that game, because you have to learn to not be manipulated by other people's agendas, whether they're conscious of it or not, because it really doesn't matter. You have today to live, and it's okay to remember who you truly are and take some time to enjoy yourself. You have to learn to enjoy your own company and know that you're okay. Other people are okay too. No matter what there is going on, they're not your project. They belong to the universe, and just keep claiming your own divinity, and know that there is something bigger than you at play behind the scenes, that you're not, it's just not your job to correct people and fix people. If people want your help, then of course help them and guide them to who can help them. That's important, to not leave people who actually want to be better. Just don't leave them hanging. Help them to help themselves. So we're going to do a little mini meditation on freedom from bondage. So we're just going to hold our hands out and take 3 deep breaths. Today I am completely free. Free to think for myself and to trust my own mind. When I hear something or I have a decision to make, I can go within, just be still and listen and ask my higher self, what do I need to learn? What is the truth about this? And just be still and be calm within your being. Release, let go. Just take a few moments, and you will become that clear vessel of knowledge and divinity. I am okay, and other people are okay. I am free. I am grounded. I am true to myself. I am true to me. I take action today. To thine own self be true. I am happy and free. I am living in abundance, and I trust that with each step I will be fine. Great things are happening in my life. Appearances can be deceiving, but what is appearing now is goodness. Great things are happening in my life. Great things are coming to me. Good things are here and swift And I count my blessings and see all the goodness that is around me right here and now. I have so much, and everything is available to me. And I say thank you for everything. My family, my friends, love, peace, kindness, joy. I'm grateful. I have my health. I am wealthy. And so it is. I am free from bondage that I have created and other people have tried to put upon me. And I have believed, I release any belief that I have to live as other people tell me how they think I should live. I no longer listen to the shoulds. I am true to me and do what I need to do for happiness and joy. And so it is. Take a deep breath in and release. And so it is. You are released and you are standing in your power and you are being true to you. And that is where your happiness lies. It's not in running around trying to live your life as other people think and who they think you should be. So don't let anyone should on you. Be true to your own self. Know who you are, and that's all you're going to need to know. I will catch you next time. You have a wonderful day, and notice all the good that is around you all the time. See you later. Bye.